If you're thinking about diving into dropshipping and trying to decide between WooCommerce and Spocket, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to compare the two platforms head to head and give you a look at what they do well and where they fall short when it comes to dropshipping support. And stick around till the end because I'll reveal a better option if your goal is streamlined, efficient dropshipping that saves you time. Let's start with WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that integrates seamlessly with WordPress. It's highly customizable, offering a huge range of themes, plugins, and payment gateways. WooCommerce allows you to build a fully branded e-commerce store. However, its dropshipping features aren't as robust out of the box. To get the most out of WooCommerce for dropshipping, you'll need third-party plugins like Ollie Dropship or WooCommerce own dropshipping plugin. This adds complexity and can lead to compatibility issues, especially when you're running a large store with a lot of suppliers. Next thing, WooCommerce scalability is both a blessing and a curse. While it's super flexible and can grow as your business does, managing inventory from multiple suppliers can get tricky. WooCommerce doesn't automatically sync product information across your suppliers, so you might find yourself dealing with stock discrepancies, which can lead to frustrated customers. Plus, all of this customization requires more technical know-how, and if you're not a WordPress expert, it can feel like you're spending more time tinkering with your store than actually growing your business. Now, let's talk about Spocket. Spocket is designed specifically for dropshipping, offering suppliers from the US and the EU. This means faster shipping times, which is a huge advantage over WooCommerce, where your suppliers are often based in China, leading to long delivery times. Spocket makes it easy to find high-quality products with a curated selection of suppliers that meet specific standards. This is a massive plus for anyone who wants to focus on quality rather than sifting through endless products. The fourth thing to note about Spocket is its user-friendly platform. Setting up your store is much easier compared to WooCommerce, with a simple interface and direct integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. You don't have to worry about installing a bunch of third-party plugins or managing complex settings. However, that simplicity does come with some trade-offs. The product range, while curated, is more limited compared to WooCommerce endless plugins and suppliers, so you may find your niche choices constrained. But here's the catch: while Spocket's shipping times are faster and it offers a more hands-off experience, it's not perfect. The pricing can be a bit higher compared to sourcing products from international suppliers like AliExpress through WooCommerce. Spocket's higher product prices mean slimmer profit margins unless you can sell at a higher price point. Next thing, WooCommerce offers total flexibility in terms of pricing and marketing options. You can use your own pricing strategies, create advanced promotions, and integrate with various marketing tools. With Spocket, while it's simpler to use, you don't have the same level of flexibility for pricing strategies, especially since it comes with a set pricing structure for most products. Now, let's be honest. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to dropshipping. WooCommerce is a better fit for those who want complete control over their store and are willing to put in the technical work to get it running smoothly. But for those who want a quicker, more streamlined solution with faster shipping times and curated product options, Spocket is a solid choice. However, after trying both WooCommerce and Spocket myself, I've found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds: faster shipping, reliable products, and the scalability of a fully customizable platform. If you're serious about dropshipping and want the best tools to support your business, I recommend you check out the first link in the description for a free trial of the platform I personally use. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you want to avoid the headaches of managing multiple plugins, dealing with inventory sync issues, and slow shipping, don't wait. Take advantage of that free trial and see for yourself why it's the better option for your dropshipping business.